I'm sure you've heard the news. The lumbar nerve L4 is a superstar in your body's nervous system. Let's explore why. The lumbar nerve L4 is one of the 5 major nerves that emerge from the lumbar part of your spine. It plays a crucial role in controlling the muscles of your thigh and helps you extend your knee. In simpler terms, without L4, simple actions like walking, running, or even standing up would be much tougher. This nerve also helps carry sensory information from your skin, joints, and muscles back to your brain. Located between the 3rd and 4th lumbar vertebrae, L4 is part of the lumbar plexus, a network of nerves that work together to manage your lower body's movements and sensations. So, next time you're flexing those quads or feeling the ground beneath your feet, give a little nod to your lumbar nerve L4. It's working hard to keep you moving and feeling every step of the way. Stay curious and keep exploring the amazing world of human anatomy. See you in the next video.